Okay, very good morning to one and all present. Myself, Hani Sultana, belongs to Department of Management Studies, SMS College of Technology. And today we are going to discuss the topic on transformation process. So previous topic we have discussed on nature and importance of operations management. In nature of operations management, we deal the multidisciplinary approach such as like engineering. It is widely used in engineering, statistics, economics, and psychology even. And it also impact the it also have created the importance which is related to the reduction of cost, improvising the quality and production enhancement, etc. And today we are going to see the topic on transformation process. The word itself, it is very clear. Transformation, a change takes place. When does the change takes place? When we talk in the when we discuss on the operations management which is relevant to this, so we are taking a we are considering a product. So product, which means the we can categorize the finished product, work in process, and unfinished product. When does the finished product stage takes place? Definitely when the transformation process takes place. So input, so a raw material which is converted into the some stages of operation, which is called transformation, and which is the resultant, that is the outcome, we call it as output of finished product. So transformation process is a key concept in operations management that refers to the conversion of inputs into outputs through a series of activities or processes. It involves the transformation of raw materials, components or information into finished goods or services that are delivered to customers. So what is this input stage? So input stage involves the acquiring the necessary inputs for the production unit, such as raw materials, components or information. So why this information word comes here? Because we are always talking about, right from the definition, goods or services. So we are not particularly concerned about goods, we are also talking about the services. When it is concerned with the services, definitely the word information comes in. And the transformation, what is this transformation? Involves the actual transformation of inputs into the outputs. This may involve manufacturing processes, assembly, packaging or service delivery. What is the output? So as we discussed in the previous slide, this stage involves the delivery of the finished goods or services to the customers. So we are expecting the finished product in this stage, and it is necessary to see the next stage, that is the fourth stage, feedback. So this stage involves the monitoring and evaluating the output to identify the opportunities for improvement in the transformation process. So when we discussed in the nature and importance of operations management, we were talking about we were talking about the innovation. When does the innovation takes place? When the product has been used by the various customers, and based on the reviews, these reviews are converted into feedback, and based on the feedback, an R&D is developed in the production. R&D center works on how does this feedback and reviews can be changed into positive outcome. So we are bringing certain changes based on this feedback, so into the product. In the next, we are bringing those product into the next stage, and we are terming this particular process into the innovation. So definitely innovation of the product is necessary to any production unit. So now this transformation process is again classified into two types, that is manufacturing transformation process and service transformation process. Manufacturing, it is primarily concerned with the production of tangible goods. For example, if you are concerned about any particular product, end product, any end product, we can touch, we can feel, and this is called tangible. So we can give the direct review based on the usability of the product. And this service transformation deals with the service which is intangible. For example, if you are taking a class, and we are need to assess the students performance, which is quality, which is in the quality aspect. Or we are, for example, if you are conducting a group discussion inside the classrooms, we are assessing the students based on their quality performances. So based on the quality, we are providing a marks, and this mark is can be determined as information. Based on this mark, we are providing the information which is intangible, which is totally intangible. Service is intangible. So this is the example for transformation process. We have inputs, information, materials, customers, staff, facilities, capital, energy, and this transformation process went to output. See, in the transformation we have designing, planning, improvising activities. We only deal with the activities, and this is called the method of conversion and into the products or services, and this leads to the evaluation and comparing the output against the objective. So we are measuring the performance based on the output. So this is to summarize input, transformation, output and feedback. And this is the assessment point of view. Operations should not lead the way in enhancing the ability to create wealth, improve productivity and raise the standard of living for all people. Yes, it is true and correct. So these are the references. Thank you for listening the video.